how are you? My name is Mike, MikeStewart.ca, and today I want to talk to you about these 2.99% 5-year fixed mortgages. This is insanity. These are the lowest 5-year fixed rate mortgages we've ever seen in the history of the mortgage market in Canada. So I wanted to talk to an expert about this. So I got Chad Watts of the Mortgage Group. Chad, how are you doing?
Good to see you.
Good to see you. To come and tell us about these mortgages, but more importantly is there a catch? Like, there's got to be a catch. What's the catch, Chad?
What's the catch? Well, there is a catch. I will say, great rate, great time to be in the market, great time to refinance into these products. The catch is they're very restrictive.
Okay.
How the restrictive is that you have to sell the home to get out of the mortgage.
Okay.
Ultimately, that means you can't refinance. And as we know, there's a lot of changes in life in a 5-year span, and
Absolutely.
refinancing is often an option that we see. In fact, most people do change their mortgages within 3 years. So that's something to certainly think about. Lower or smaller prepayment privileges, which
So
is...
you can't pay it off or as quick as you want or put down as much as you want?
You can't pay it off as quickly as you want,
Okay.
compared to less restrictive ones.
Gotcha.
And then when it comes to renewal, there's going to be some restrictions on your ability with that particular bank and necessarily getting their best rate. But
Right.
we'll see what time will tell them in that case.
So there is a catch. It's maybe less flexible. You can't make as many changes as you want, but it's a good rate.
It's a good rate, but you should also look at some of the ones that are at 3.19, have no restriction to them whatsoever, so you can port them over, you can have somebody assume them. They have bigger prepayment privileges, you can get refinancing, which often is going to serve you better down the road.
And potentially save you money down the road.
Absolutely save you a lot more money.
Okay, cool. Well, my name is Mike Stewart. Thank you very much for this. This is Chad Watts of the Mortgage Group. Chad,
Mike.
now, if they want to learn more about you and what you do, how can they find you?
They can call me at 778-773-6631, or they can look online at themortgageinformer.ca.
Thank you very much for watching. We'll speak to you soon.